To install Awin's Publisher MasterTag on your Squarespace site, you should first have the Awin UI open and have navigated to the Publisher MasterTag page under Toolbox. Here you will be able to copy your Publisher MasterTag code, which we'll need later. Now, back in Squarespace, go to Settings, Advanced, and then click on Code Injection. Now you'll see different areas of the web page where you can put in the code, and in the footer part, this is where we'll want to paste the Publisher MasterTag there. I have had problems in the past where it's used the wrong quotation marks, so just to be sure, I'm going to delete them and re-enter them. Once I'm happy with that, I can click Save at the top, and that's it. The Publisher MasterTag has been installed.